you chose to work with Auxis on this project. A lot of companies that we see often try to do this type of program on their own at first, and then maybe go to a partner. Why did you choose to work with a partner from the beginning? What made you kind of feel that was the right answer for you? And how did you kind of select the partner that you did?
First, I've been working with Auxis for almost 10 years now. So I have experience with Auxis that predates my life here at Galls, both in RPA as well as in other outsourcing projects. So we have a credibility and a relationship that predates. Having the trust and the partnership from the past was critical for us. Beyond that, I noticed in the polling question, one of the questions was about resources and some of the resources constraints that might exist in organizations. For us, we run relatively lean and mean, so we don't have a traditional sort of PMO organization where we can throw these automation projects into and have them kind of execute with the team. So for us, resource really critical. But at the end of the day, it boiled down to kind of understanding what is our core competency. And we know that RPA is in the strength of our business. We're a distribution business serving first responders at heart, and we think about RPA is a tool to allow for happier customers, again creating sales capacity and what have you, but really not in the DNA of our business. So for us, we thought about buying versus building. Level of difficulty as we did the sort of assessment, relatively high when you try to build. Resources relatively thin, and we think the risk is relatively high from a building perspective as well. So we leaned in and trusted a partner that I had worked with in prior lives. And we also think it was important to have the credibility of a partner internally as we're selling RPA to the organization, someone whose core business is technology and RPA. So relative to getting buy-in across the organization, having a partner who has deep experience in RPA, we thought also was going to be a key component of creating sort of organizational alignment around the projects.